Yolanda, what we gonna do today?
Today, we're gonna learn 7 different of my favorite lip combinations. So if you're interested and want to know what products I use to make these lips luscious, then just keep watching. But also be on the lookout, because if you think this hairstyle's cute, then I'm going to be posting a video soon. So make sure you hit the notification so you know when I upload it. But okay, now we can get started. Okay, so for this first lip combination, it's my easiest, simplest one that you can do. And it's just a lip liner and chapstick. And the 2 products that I'm loving right now are the Steve Laurent lip liner in Uptown. And this is more of like a brownish red color, or warm brown. And I'm using the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Starmint Glossy Balm. And like I said, this is just the simplest, easiest, quick, cute combination.
Open up, you open.
Okay, and this is the most natural looking kind. So if it's almost like you're wearing lipstick but you're not, because it's just a glossy balm. Okay, so for my next combination, I'm going in with Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Maliboo, which is kind of like a gray brown. And then I'm going to top it off with Iconic London's Plumping lip gloss, or lip plumping gloss in the color Nearly Nude. And this is also a cute, more of the natural type of look. And because this is a lip plumping gloss, it fills your lips in and it makes them even look more full, more luscious. Okay, so this is, like I said, a little more, it's almost looking like the previous combination, but with a little more shine and gloss. And over time, like I said, your lips are gonna be luscious and plump because of the lip plumping product in there. But yeah, I still think it looks cute. For my next lip combo, it's pretty much similar, but this one's a little more pinkish. So I'm going in with Milani's lip liner in the shade 03, and with Dominic Cosmetics gloss in the shade Peach Tea. So see, this combo is more on the pink side, but it still looks cute as. So you can try either of those 2 gloss combos. Okay, so for my next combination, it's gonna be a matte combo. So I'm going in with Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade, oh my god, Dolce K. I love it, can you tell? I'm almost running out. But I'm also going in with the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Truffle. And like I said, this is more of like a mauve pink color combo. So because the Dolce K, it's more on the also grayer side, so it's not as pink of a liner. Okay, so this lip combo has to dry. Right now it's looking a little shiny, but that's probably because of the lighting. But generally this is a matte color. And this is one of my first favorite lip combos that I will forever probably have in my purse. So what do you guys think? Okay, so for my next lip combination, we're going to start switching more now to the red side. So I'm going to go in with this other Milani lip liner in the 09 shade. And Dose of Colors, other liquid lipstick in Campfire. Okay, so for this lip combo, it is more on the red side. So when you want a little more hint of color, I feel like this is a cute color that you can pretty much combine with any look, even any eye makeup. So it's become one of my more bolder favorite colors. Okay, so for my next lip combo, I'm going to be using Avon's Glimmersticks lip liner. I'm not sure what the name is because it doesn't really say it on there, but it is a more like another brownish red lip liner. I'm also going to be using Vive Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Maria. And I like these combos. It is a little darker, so if you're trying to be more bold, or I feel like this combo is good for the fall. It gives you that fall vibe. Don't push it out too far.
Open up, you open up.
Okay, so I'm freaking loving this look, this combo, because this combo, it's a perfect color. Like, it's not too dark, not too red, not too orange. Like, it's a nice pretty color. So props to Vive Cosmetics. Oh no. This shit is not. Another thing, this doesn't come off like at all. Dude, nothing. So if you're looking for a liquid lipstick that lasts, Vive Cosmetics. Hey, props to you guys. Latina owned company too. Hey. Okay, so for my next and final combo, I'm gonna be doing a red lip. And honestly, I feel like everyone needs a good red color in their makeup. So the color that I love is the one from MAC in Russian Red. And it's a beautiful red color. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but it's not too dramatically red and it's not too dark, that it kind of works for me. And the lip liner that I'll be using is from Palladio in the color Rockin Red.
Open up, you open up. Bitch, you won't be
Okay, so what do you guys think of this combo? I know it's very bright, but I'm in love with it. But okay, so that concludes all my lip combos, all my favorite lip combos, because obviously there's a bajillion combinations you can do. I also like to mix the lip liners in between my glosses and liquid lipsticks, which you can also do. So try these combos out and see what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye!